struggling with prop firms? Okay, so you want to learn the swing strategy. So today I'm going to be looking at gold, and just if I bring up this, okay, we are on the 4 hour chart and I'm going to break down gold, guys. This is today's present moment. As you can see, market is moving. Okay, straight away I'll just say apply the indicator. It's just this one I love, sessions indicator. Just tell me about London session and New York. Okay, straight away, guys, you know, the eyes can pick up this straight away. Another one, this one level key area of interest here. Okay, I mean, then you can have another one here as well, but market's already, you know, we're nowhere near that. That's why wasn't thinking of drawing it, but let's, okay, they need to draw this one and a day need to draw this one, but since, you know, just try to keep the charts clean as possible. But since we're here in this area, this is our area of interest. Okay, so price was, you know, reached and created this resistance area here, came back down, resistance again, price broke through, and then we've got this huge bullish candle here on the 4 hour chart. Now create new resistance, came back down, a little bit of exhaustion, create new resistance again, came tumbling back down. A few multiple wick rejections at the top, meaning, you know, sellers do have the intent to go down, but then price quickly just, you know, comes up to retest this, but quickly just pushes straight through. And then this, maybe I might be wrong, but this is a Friday, this is Friday around, showing you guys 1 minute, 10 a.m. so 2 p.m. I'm guessing, maybe, okay, Friday, so it's NFP, it has to be it's a Friday and it's the first Friday of the month, so NFP. Okay, made this move, but eventually it just tumbled. Okay, so me personally, I don't trade the news, but if I just show, this would have been a great opportunity to enter a trade. I'm going to be going into breaking down why and how I would have entered, but you got to see naked price action is the key, guys, right? How would you have entered? Even example from here, how, you know, look at this, price came up, huge bullish candle, came down, so this is the area of interest, right? Comes back up and breaks through, but then showed a little bit of support here. Now you pay attention to candle closure, right? Look at this. This is the key psychological key level of 2077.316, so 316, and then even in the future it was respected. Let's see if it was respected ever in the past. Okay, can't go that far back. Okay, so in the future, if I just break it down, there's a break and retest as well, you know, price broke through, comes back up to retest, and this would have been a, you know, a nice big move. I mean, ultimately you could have given a nice 1 to 13. Okay, breaking down how I would have entered this. Look at this, guys, strong bullish candle. Not the best evening star, right? But then you get an evening star here. Okay, and I'll tell you why. Just one moment. Stronger bullish candle, right? You get this candle here. This candle does not break, even though it's a, you know, the sellers are in control. Well, only for a short period of time, but compared to this candle has very little value, right? This candle here, now this candle is bigger than the previous candle, the selling candle. So it shows here that the bears, you know, the sellers are taking more in control. But then as price moves a little bit up for a little retest, this selling candle here is bigger than the previous 2 free candles, and it closes below the previous 3 candles. This is the candle that we're looking for. and what happens? It just tanks and it gives a nice move. Okay, now going into this one, looking at this one, look straight off the bat, guys. Tweezer pattern straight away created. So now when you look at this, remember what I said, guys, this bullish candle, the price closed above. It would have been an even stronger candle if price would have, you know, this candle would have closed above this wick, but it's good enough to, you know, take an entry. But if you wanted to refine this even more, let's go down to a smaller time frame, see what we've got. Again, guys, look, another tweezer pattern here. Price comes back. You got this evening star, but this is not that much value. This wick here, if it would have been at the top, then it would have been a little bit concerning, but it's the other way around. So it's okay. Got this rejection, and look at these candles here, guys. The bodies are becoming smaller. Well, it goes big here, then it goes small again, but this one's big. Remember this candle here, the bullish, the buyers, price is closing above the wick of the previous candle, and look at the body size. It's almost 4 times bigger. This is where the value is. If I just do this, if I just change the color so you know exactly what I'm looking at, these two candles, and then the price just goes in our favor. And even if, look at this, guys, if we just close below the previous wicks, how much would this move would it give us? I'll just forward this and price just keeps going. This is what it gives, a nice 1 to almost 15. Right, imagine now, guys, right, I want to keep this video short and simple. Imagine now price, let's just move this one out of the way. Imagine you didn't catch this move, right? Price, remember, respected area from the past, price breaks through. Now, okay, wick rejection. Some of you guys might be like, yeah, okay, but price is rejected this area. Break this down. You gotta be like a detective. You gotta dissect this. You got this huge bullish candle, breaks through. Let's look at the past. Okay, look, wicks are touching this line here, psychological key level. So the price in area of interest is 2049.458. Okay, but if you look, this bullish candle is very, you know, big and strong. The bearish candle here, it doesn't close below this, doesn't have significant value. The buyers, there's a doji candle here, so now it's a bit of tug of war. So we're just waiting for a breakout, either to the downside or to the upside. Huge bullish candle here, bigger than the previous small candle. Price breaks above, but I still would not take the trade just because of this. No. What you're supposed to do is price, when it comes, wait for it to come back down for a retest, then you take the trade. Okay, where would you enter from? So the way to enter is, guys, where did price, look at this, even these equal highs, they can use as support and resistance areas. If you don't believe me, look at this. This was the resistance area. The price came back to retest that area. If you draw your key level, which point was this? This was at 2052.875. and if I did do this, what this, guys, break this down even more. Look at this. Price broke above, it came down to retest this line. Look at this, price never closed below the line, it closed above it. Wick rejection, price just shoots off. You could have took an entry from here, and if you were to take an entry from here, this is what I give you a, see how much you got to give off. But remember, you don't just take the entry of this candle, just close, you wait for a bullish candle, and all the next candle always retraces almost around 30 to 80%. I will take this trade at a 30% candle, close below, you know, stop loss below this previous wick. How much would it give us? A nice one to, let's see, nice one to 15. And look, guys, when price comes back down, still bouncing around, you could have entered from here as well, and it would have given you another nice, you know, depending on refining the entry. Look, this made stop loss a bit healthier. I mean, I don't remember, does this go all the way, or even if it doesn't, how much has that been? Nice 128. So I hope that was helpful. Just gonna use more ups and more examples for these videos on swing trading. And yeah, just keep watching, guys. And yeah, just happy to help everyone. I'm out.